So I think sometimes people have two personalities. They have a work personality and then they have you know, their real personality, right?
Mm,
Or
mm.
they have their interview personality. And I really feel like you're really authentic. Like you
Oh,
are
thank you. That's nice.
who you are offline is who you are online.
You didn't find any surprises, right?
Um,
You
you
were,
know,
you were, you have been seeing me the way I am now. That's very good. That's good to know.
no, and I think you're very easy to talk to.
Hmm.
You're very natural.
Hmm.
You're very gifted. This is very good for you to keep to this
Hmm.
podcast. I think it's really easy. I feel like I could just talk to you forever. I felt like I didn't remember that it's being recorded. So I hope I didn't say
Oh,
anything
wonderful.
scandalous.
No, no.
I don't remember. I got so comfortable. So I'm so comfortable. I don't even remember what I said. So I hope I
Oh,
didn't say anything
no, no,
scandalous.
no. You were
Because
wonderful.
I felt like, yeah, I'm just talking to one of my friends and we're just having a good time.
Really appreciate that. That's a one of the nicest feedback I got. Thank you.